In just a few moments, CNBC will ring the Nasdaq opening bell this morning in celebration of 25 years at the Nasdaq market site. As you know, now the broadcast home of Squawk Box and Fast Money. Interesting, Jim, to think about how walking the wall, Tom Costello back in the day, was an important evolution in financial journalism.
Yeah, look, a lot of times I used to think that the Journal was paper of record, Time paper of record. We became the so-called paper of record there, and it's really helped all of us. I think we do the same here. Congratulations to everyone at Times Square.
Let's get that opening bell and the CNBC real-time exchange. As we said, at the Nasdaq, it is CNBC celebrating 25 years of programming at the Nasdaq market site in Times Square. Our president, Casey Sullivan, Becky Quick, Joe Kernan, Andrew Ross Sorkin, Melissa Lee, and the traders all doing the honors. At the big board, medical equipment company ResMed celebrating 35 years.
I know a lot of people feel that they may be challenged by GLP-1 because it does work on sleep apnea. When I deal with the company, I feel more confident that that is not necessarily going to be the end existential threat that I once thought it was. And a lot of that is because Mick Farrell is quite a great CEO. He's true. He's been on the show a bunch of times. He's a very inventive guy. I'm not writing off ResMed. I just can't do that. Too good a company, David.
Okay.
And take a look at the chart. The chart is about how people realize, wait a second, maybe it's not over. Maybe they even can coexist. A lot of the companies can coexist. Abbott Labs coexisting. Abbott Labs, by the way, today a giant trial starts in St. Louis. They lost the last one. I think they will lose this one too. And then after that, I think there'll be a skein of victories because then they'll be out of this jurisdiction from hell for the defendants.
What do you make of Stellantis joining VW, BMW, Mercedes, today Aston Martin, just this overall cloud of what the Chinese have done to the global auto market?
Oh, I got to tell you, just having come back, Stellantis really, really hurt here, down 12%. I mean, look, these cars are $10,000 cars, and they're great. I don't know what to say. They're great, and it's kind of like Starlink. I mean, when you let them in, you really are changing the whole dynamic of your union-organized automakers. And I think that China was smart. They felt that they could get a lot of the German, 25% of the exports from Germany go to China when it comes to cars. But they got the last laugh, China. They sure did get the last laugh. And I think that everybody realizes it was a Trojan horse.